Starting with the new topic, transient analysis. In this, first I'll start with the different types of signals. First is unit step signal. Now we write unit step signal is u of t, which has value 1 for t greater than equal to 0 and for in 0 for t less than 0. And how we show it in the continuous time form. This is t, u of t, and this is the signal. So it is going from 0 to 1 for t equal to 0, and for t greater than 0 it is leaving to 1. So it is unit step. So you are crossing a step, and for t less than 0 the value is 0. So u of t is 1 for t greater than equal to 0, and it is 0 for t less than 0. So this is nothing but the unit step signal. Now we go for the second, which is the ramp signal. Again, you can show this is discrete form, that is number of intervals. This is how you show it in the discrete form, u of n, and this value is 1. So this is continuous form and this is discrete form. Now how to show the ramp signal, which is r of t is equal to t for t greater than equal to 0 and equal to 0 for t less than 0. So how we show this? It has a slope of t. So this is a ramp signal r of t, and this is the line which has the slope t. So for all values greater than 0, this is starting from 0, this is the ramp signal. Same thing you can show it the discrete form, that the slope is increasing. So you can say this is ramp signal in discrete form, this is in the continuous form. So this is unit step, this is ramp, and the last is the impulse signal. Impulse, we write it as delta t, which is one only for one instance, say t is equal to 0, and 0 for t not equal to 0. So how we show the delta t? This is 1, so it exists only at this point, that is, it is an impulse which is existing only at point t is equal to 0 and the value is 1. So this is the magnitude of this signal. So these are the three types of signals: unit step, ramp, and impulse, right? So this is the beginning of transient analysis.